Hello there W Squad, so welcome back to another video. In today's video, it's a video with fireworks and everything like I did in 2021 in the old house. So yeah, I'll be doing that W Squads. I'm in the front garden, by the way guys, you can see the hedge. Please kick the like button and subscribe to the channel and comment down below what you're doing this bonfire night and tell me, have you enjoyed Halloween? And I'll see you when the fireworks get started. W Squad, so I got a sparkler here. This is fun. You know, I can actually do this in Blue Sky City guys. I can do a firework display in my city. Anyways, so here we have this, looking cool. Here we go. That's what it looks like against the sky, by the way. There's a lamppost, there we go. Okay, W Squads, I'm gonna go and play with this and I will see you whenever. So the firework is going off. Here we go. Oh, this is cool, like all the different colours guys, like low-key, I'm liking this. By the way, I might do some fireworks but I don't record them, but I want to record some and not. By the way guys, all the smoke coming, look at all the smoke. Look at all that. Different colours, W Squad. Hopefully some explosion happens. There we go. Seriously, look at all the sparks and everything. Here we go, W Squad. Watching the video, W Squad's happy bonfire night, by the way, and can we get 10 thumbs up on my video? Hopefully this has been a good video, W Squads. Hopefully you'll have fun watching it. And yeah, bye W Squads. That is cool.